Hi everyone, Ashlyn Gives You YouTube channel. So we're out here and we're collecting shells. Let me see them. Open it. Ooh, they're beautiful. We got a white one, kind of a brown one, a gray one. They're cute. We're collecting them out of this really pretty water here. It's a little beach. Someone made a little sand castle.
Some of them
Kind of got taken down.
Some of them have eggs in it.
Some of them have eggs in it, but that's okay, Kinnick. They'll die.
Here.
It's not really eggs.
Here, Mom.
Put them in my purse. And my husband's still fishing.